How to set up incremental discounts in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first you need to just go to your Shopify app store and search up for this app right here, Quickify Volume Discounts, and click on install. Next up, once you actually install it, you simply just want to click on enable theme app. Just make sure this is toggled on and click on save from the top right corner. Next, just go back to the app and click on create offer. Now you have different types of offers here that you can choose from, like buy X get Y subscriptions. Quantity breaks is the one that we are going to be going for. You also have multi-buy and different things here. But I'm just going to use the basic one, or the main one, which is quantity breaks for same product. Click on create. So let's start. First, you're just going to add an internal name. This is going to only be for you so you can know or identify it from other discount or offers that we are just going to be creating. So we can just do test offer 1. And here you're just going to add an offer title. This is going to be what's written over here, and this is going to be the discount title as well. So here obviously it's going to be visible, so you just want to add a proper name for it, and you can just feel free to change it, and you can see the changes over here. Next up, we have the different products that we want this to be applied to. By default, it's going to be all products, but we can select specific ones. Click on browse and select the different products that you want to add to this discount. Click on done. And now you're just going to go ahead and set up the different tiers that you want. So first, we're just going to have quantity of 1. The title is going to say 1 pack. But again, remember this is going to be for multiple different products. If you have selected that, if you have selected all products, this is going to be for all of them. So don't do the mistake of actually naming the product. So make sure you make it a little bit general. So I'm just going to leave it as 1 pack. You can even add a subtitle and see how it's going to look like beneath the actual title. We also have a badge here, which is going to be more like these over here, the blue little text. And we also have the discount type. Obviously, the first one is going to be without any discount because they're just going to be buying 1. The label type, we have the classic, is going to be the one at the top here, which says most popular kind of thing. You can even add images if you would like as well. And you can select it to be the one selected by default as well. Next up, you're just going to go ahead and add the same options, but for pack or the second tier and then the third tier, and you get the idea at this point. So the quantity is going to be 2. So if they buy 2, they're going to go ahead and see this subtitle, buy 2, save 10%, and you would want to set up the discount value however much that you actually need. And same goes for the third one as well. It's going to be the same settings over here, and you can just feel free to add as many tiers as you actually like. Next up, if you want to toggle on subscriptions, you can just feel free to do so from here. But we have the display settings here. So we have the variant display, whether you want people to be able to choose different variants from the item here. You can even choose the pricing display here, whether you want to show the pricing units per item or not. And then lastly here you have appearance and style. So if you would like to play around with the colors as well to match your theme, you can feel free to do so from here as well. Combination is basically other codes that are going to work at the same time with this one. So if you want these to be applied, sure. If not, just make sure you toggle these off. Lastly, here we have the campaign schedule. So if you want to set up an end date, you can feel free to just toggle this on and specify that time and date. Click on save, and we are pretty much good to go. So yeah, this is pretty much how to set up incremental discounts for Shopify. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.